Right now, you're looking at a sentiment score of minus 0.25, which is significantly below the historical baseline. This negative sentiment, paired with a momentum of plus 0.16, suggests a rare divergence. While there's upward price movement, underlying sentiment is decidedly pessimistic. This is not just noise, it's a signal that could indicate a potential reversal. Our API returns a comprehensive snapshot of sentiment data, including momentum and semantic clusters, helping you gauge the broader narrative behind the numbers. For instance, if you're building a trading algorithm, this insight allows you to adjust your strategies in real time, responding proactively to shifts in market sentiment, even when prices are climbing. To dive deeper into this powerful data, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's build something insightful together.